Let's get a shot of the hat. Yeah, nice. Amy! I think I have a Sharpie somewhere. Yes.
Oh, we'll get this.
Here's a Sharpie. You get one panel, I get the other.
It's not going to show off on the black.
I'll do it inside so they can see it.
Nice.
Let's see. What do I want to write?
Yeah. This is awesome. So I heard you're quite the collector.
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Love do.
What is your prized possession of your whole collection?
Probably my remaining Typhoons.
Yeah?
I love those.
Nice.
Distortion was my favorite though.
Which one?
Distortion?
Oh, okay. Nice, nice. Nice. Kickstart Tour 2013.
Gotta give me some more of this. This is delicious.
It really is, right? Which one's your favorite so far?
So far, definitely the fruit punch, but I'm not banging on the orange citrus. It's
Oh.
There you go.
Alright, my turn?
You got it.
Alright, still going.
Yeah.